everyone, welcome back. Is Temu's update stuck on waiting or not showing in the App Store? Here's how to force it through. First, open App Store on your device and then tap on the profile picture icon in the top right corner of your App Store. Here, pull to refresh on the screen to force a refresh of all the available updates. Then look for Temu in the list and tap update if it appears. If the update is stuck on waiting, tap and hold the Temu icon on your home screen. Then tap on it and then tap pause to pause the download and tap it again to resume the download to restart it. If it keeps failing, then go to your settings, general, iPhone storage and check whether your device has at least 1 to 2 gigabytes of free storage. Temu updates are large due to the volume of product imagery and promotional content they update regularly. Free up space by offloading unused apps. Then retry. Trying switching from Wi-Fi to mobile data also before trying the download stalls completely. So all you've got to do is go to the App Store, pull to refresh, pause and resume if stuck, free up storage, Temu updates and that's it. Subscribe.